Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make pizza at home without any refined flour or any refined sugar. Check this ingredient list and without any further delay, let's get started. So here I'm taking 2 cups of sorghum flour. You can use any red or white sorghum flour. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add coconut sugar 1 tablespoon and salt as required. Roughly 2 tablespoons of oil. Now slowly add warm water to knead the dough. So the base is done. Now leave this for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's marinate paneer. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add roughly chopped green chilies, salt and turmeric. I am adding chili flakes as well. You can skip this if you want. Mix everything well together and now add paneer. Mix well and leave this as well for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can leave this more than that as well. For that you can prepare this before your base. If you want, you can add capsicum as well at this stage. After resting, knead it well once again. Make sure your dough is neither too hard or not too soft. Leave this again for 5 minutes and in the meantime we can prepare sauce to apply on the base. Mix tomato ketchup, peri peri and mustard sauce together and mix it well. You can use pizza sauce as well if you want. And that's it. This combination really worked well. Now grease your baking paper. Take a part of the dough and press with your fingers and make a base. You can make one big base, but here I'm making 2. Now spread sauce evenly on the base. For toppings, you can use as many toppings as you want, like mushrooms, onions. Now make holes in the base so that the heat will pass through. Spread your toppings evenly. Here I'm using capsicum, marinated paneer, jalapeno, cheese. We're gonna bake this pizza at 200 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. You can increase or reduce time. Check every 10 minutes to make sure it's cooked properly. This is your another healthy weekend treat which you can enjoy guilt-free. We haven't used any refined flour, refined sugar. We have used basic ingredients that can be easily found in your kitchen. Once baked, sprinkle some chili flakes and mixed herbs or any other herbs of your choice. So here is your homemade pizza. So it's all about the choices we make for our health. Remember that a sustainable and balanced approach to nutrition is a key to long-term health and well-being. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here's to your health and happiness.